Solar Seawater Desalinator. Even though 71% of Earth's surface is covered in water, only 1.2% of this is fit for human usage. As the human population grows exponentially, it is imperative to find sustainable ways of supplying fresh water, thus sustainably making massive quantities of water in our oceans and seas accessible for everyday usage. Developed using Raspberry Pi, this solar seawater desalinator filters saline water into potable drinking water using just the sun's energy. IoT Virtual Doctor Robot. It is not possible for doctors to be available at every place at every time. Also, online video call limits the doctor's capacity to stationary laptop, mobile or screen. Well, this Raspberry Pi powered IoT doctor robot allows a doctor to virtually move around and communicate at remote hospitals as desired. IoT Water Pollution Monitoring RC board. The first step towards stopping water pollution is measuring it. Well, measuring water pollution is a tough task as one needs to use a boat each time to measure large water bodies. So here is a small water pollution monitoring drone that collects data through water bodies with ease. Using a Raspberry Pi, this data is then transmitted over IoT. Solar Lake Cleaner Boat. Taking this innovation a step further is the Solar Lake Cleaner Boat. Besides monitoring for water pollution, this system also helps clean the trash from water bodies. This RC lake cleaner robot makes the task easy by requiring just a single operator. Moreover, the solar panels mounted on its rooftop help to sustainably prolong its battery life. IoT temperature mask scan entry system. Two key safety measures in COVID times are face mask and body temperature scan. 24 hours manual checks for these parameters at every entry is not possible. Using a Raspberry Pi, this COVID innovation automates both these tasks very strictly by combining face mask scan, body temperature scan, and automatic barrier for entry. AI Bartender cocktail maker machine. Everyone loves to kick back and sip on their cocktails. Although manually mixing a cocktail is easier said than done, this Raspberry Pi based user-friendly AI Bartender makes the job of mixing cocktails significantly easier for you.
Margarita.
Self-charging solar drone. From reconnaissance and surveillance to filming and photography, the utility of drones is limitless. Despite their many advantages, most drones today are limited by their short battery life. This could become a hindrance during long shoots or while surveying remote areas. This self-charging solar drone is equipped with an array of solar panels that charge its battery and help extend its flight time. IoT dog daycare robot. There are times when you have to leave your pets at home for a long time, but it always keeps you worried and stressed to leave your pets alone with no care. Using a Raspberry Pi, this dog care robot solves these problems with auto feeding, water, and virtual surveillance.
Hi Bruno. Please have your food.
IoT Contactless COVID testing booth. COVID testing is needed on large scale to test as many people as possible. But manual COVID test booths pose a large number of areas that invite errors on such large scale. Here is a Raspberry Pi based IoT COVID test booth automator for paperless registration and online sample linking.